Progress celebrates its success and wins by celebrating its people. At every stage, at every milestone, at every win, Progress is in line with its people-centric values by celebrating its people.
I have been associated with Progress for last 17 years and I'm extremely happy with what I am doing.
Progress as an organization puts its people first over everything else, and while doing it, they make sure when they hire people, they have leaders which are our immediate managers. They are the ones who try to understand what we are, what we do, what are our expectations from work based on our characters, our workloads.
What I love most about Progress is the kind of people I get to work with and speak to. While on one hand, they are people with such drive that always want to excel in whatever they're doing. On the other hand, they're also people with great empathy and compassion.
To me, Progress is all about the passionate people I work with on a daily basis. I love the way they take responsibility to own our today and tomorrow.
It's the ability to impact business in a meaningful way. At every single opportunity, progressors are allowed to identify an opportunity and execute them end to end by working with cross-functional people, cross-functional teams, and we make it happen.
Being in this ecosystem is such an enriching experience because you're constantly learning and growing and becoming better every day.
It's simply this: the people, the technology, and the entrepreneurial spirit. We work collectively and collaboratively. People from diverse backgrounds come together to make software that truly makes a difference in the lives of our customers.
The focus given on helping women step up in their career ladder and creating a diversified workforce. This all is very amazing and it creates a very positive environment